Hey, good day legends. Today I'm going to show you how to check all fluid levels on your car step by step. First of all, pop your bonnet up. This is your engine oil level checking dipstick. First of all, you have to take a rag and clean it. This is your high and low indication marks on the oil level dipstick. Then you have to put oil level dipstick all the way down through the tube. Then take it off. Now we can see how much oil in the sump. It's pretty close to high level. This is your engine oil filler cap. You can fill engine oil which is manufacturer recommended. This is your brake fluid container. On the top of the cap, you can see which fluid type recommended by manufacturer. You can use .3 or .4 brake fluid. This is the max level and minimum level is down there. This is the wiper washer fluid tank. You can fill water or some additive to windscreen washer. This is the coolant expansion tank. You can fill water or coolant to this tank. And that is the max level on the reservoir tank. This is the radiator pressure cap. You can fill coolant to this tank. And this is the power steering fluid tank. You can fill power steering fluid to this tank. This is the max level and that's the minimum level.